Salvatore, and I will take you through the product demo, like just to know how our app works. So yeah, so this is our homepage here. So you can see like there are all classes here and my classes. So all classes, these are classes which have been created by top tutors, top schools, and students. And my classes, these are the classes that a student or a tutor or a school have either created or joined. So with all classes here, we have a couple of paid classes, and these are the classes which have been created by top schools and top tutors. And we have free classes like this one, and these are the classes which have been created by peers, and they will be led by those peers. So if you're a user getting here, you can just browse here based on your interest. We shall show you classes that meet your interest. And if you're interested with the particular class, you can just click join here, and you can get into the classroom where you can do a couple of things. Or for example, if you know anyone who is interested in this class, you can just click share here and share this to that person through social medias. So for example, if you click share here, you will see you can share directly with the like social medias and the other tools. And this basically help us to like really grow very faster by allowing people to share these classes through social media. So even a tutor, after they create their classes, um, they normally share these classes through social media, and that really foster growth. And here, for example, if I'm interested with this class here, I can just come here. I can see like this class is taught by this tutor. You can see the objective of the class. You can definitely see the topics here. You can just click a little bit, and if you want to pay, you can just click here, and the payment page will be displayed here, and you can choose if you want to pay by card or by mobile money, because in East Africa and Africa we use mobile money or credit card, so you can pay by either of the two. So suppose I'm like a new user and I came here and I just want to create a class for different things. Maybe I want to create class for let's say algebra. Algebra is always my favorite class, so I'll just click here, and then I'll be having this option here whether I want to create a class to learn with my friends or for teaching my students. So if I'm a peer, obviously I'll want to create a class where I want to learn with my friends. So I'll just click here, and the first thing they will ask me is to add a profile here. Like I can add a profile picture of the class, and maybe quickly, because if I don't have a picture, I can just add any uh, avatar here. Maybe I'll put that avatar, and then I will add the class name here, algebra, and then I will wanna if I want my class to be private, like I don't want anyone to join, or I want it to be public so that everyone can join, then I want my class to be public. So I'll just click here, public, and then I come here, set up my class. So the first thing is you'll see like set up my class here, where this there is this menu here where you just have to set up a lot more class information, so that make your class more precise and clear to the user. So for example, I can select category. So for me it's algebra, so it's maths. I can just click there, that's done. The class objective, let's say hey guys, this class, hey guys, or maybe I can say this class will help you to master algebra, right? Algebra, and yeah, I can just put as like very precise objective there, so that student they can really understand, and it's just few characters. And then I can select the grades. Let's say, hey, I just wanna do algebra for let's say grade 4, and maybe grade let's say grade 5, and then I click submit there, and done. And then here, because it's a peer, you can't set a price. So peer classes, they're free, but if it's not peer, I mean, if it's a class that is created by tutor or top school, and you can set a price there. So here, maybe I just want 10 people to join my class. Just 10 people. I don't want a lot of people to join my class. So I just set 10 people. And here I will just add topic. Maybe I'll add one topic here right now. Maybe introduction to algebra. Introduction to algebra. And let's say here we shall learn how maybe the history of algebra. So maybe here student will be able to learn the history of algebra. Then save there, and maybe we don't have another objective, so we just have one objective at this point, and that's it. And I want to set the time. For example, when do you want your class to start, or do you want it to always be there? Maybe I want my class to always be there, so students, peers, they can always join whatever they are. So right now my class is ready. So this class now will appear on all my classes, and students, they can always come there and see it and click join and join me. So in this classroom here, this is a classroom here where students, they can chat, they can do things. How are you? They can do a lot of things. They can, for example, if I am a student, they came here and they love this point, maybe I can give him an upvote. I can give him like an upvote, like, hey, this is a great point. I can, if it's not, I can just put a downvote there. And if more importantly, if I like this point, I can just click here, bookmark, and automatically this one will be bookmarked. And I'll show you later how can someone do, because usually with the other tools, it's hard to like store the most important point during the discussion. So you can just put that in a bookmark, and student, they can always come there and review their grade points during the discussion here in the classroom. And here you can send the messages, that you can add like things like image, documents, and everything. And another important thing is we made it like